Hello everyone, Namaskar. In this video I am going to discuss about the radius of circular orbit of electron when electron is revolving around the hydrogen nucleus. We know that in hydrogen nucleus there is only one proton, so charge on this nucleus is plus E and charge on electron is minus E. This electron is revolving in circular orbit of radius r. Speed of electron is v. So radius of the circular orbit is equal to r, velocity of the electron is equal to v, charge of the electron is equal to minus e, charge of the nucleus is equal to plus e in case of hydrogen atom. Now electrostatic attractive force between this plus e charge on nucleus and minus e charge on electron, this is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into e square upon r square. Now when a particle of mass m is revolving in circular orbit of radius r, then necessary centripetal force F is equal to mv square upon r. This force is provided by this electrostatic force. Now according to Niels Bohr's atomic model, angular momentum of electron when it is revolving in nth orbit in case of hydrogen atom is equal to nh upon 2 pi. mv multiplied by r. mv is linear momentum when this is multiplied by radius of circular orbit in which electron is revolving. Then its angular momentum is mv into r, and this angular momentum is equal to nh upon 2 pi, where h is Planck's constant and n is number of orbit. If electron is revolving in first orbit, then n is equal to 1. If electron is revolving in second orbit, then n is equal to 2. Now this electrostatic attractive force 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into e square upon r square is equal to mv square by r. So mv square upon r is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into e square upon r square, or mv square is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into e square upon r. This r cancels from this square. Now square this term mvr is equal to nh upon 2 pi. Square this term in both sides, then m square v square r square is equal to n square h square upon 4 pi square. Now divide this by mv square. So dividing equation 5th by this 4th, we get m square v square r square upon mv square is equal to n square h square upon 4 pi square divided by 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into e square upon r, and solve it. We get radius of circular orbit r is equal to n square h square epsilon naught upon pi m square when electron is revolving in nth orbit in hydrogen atom. Now as mvr is equal to nh upon 2 pi, so v is equal to nh upon 2 pi mr. Now substitute value of r, which is equal to n square h square epsilon naught upon pi m square, and solve it. We get velocity of electron is equal to e square upon 2 nh epsilon naught, where epsilon naught is permittivity of free space, h is Planck's constant, e is charge on electron. Now for n is equal to 1, if electron is revolving in first orbit in hydrogen atom, then radius of this orbit r is equal to h square epsilon naught upon pi m square. H is Planck's constant, which is equal to 6.63 into 10 power minus 34. Square this. Epsilon naught is equal to 8.85 into 10 power minus 12. Pi is equal to 3.14. M is mass of electron, which is equal to 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kg, and charge on electron is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. Square this and solve it. We get radius of electron for hydrogen atom radius of circular orbit of electron for hydrogen atom is equal to 0.53 angstrom. Now similarly we can find out velocity of electron. V is equal to E square upon 2 NH epsilon naught. For n is equal to 1, V is equal to E square upon 2H epsilon naught. Substitute values, we get V is equal to 2.16 into 10 power 6 meter per second. So electron is revolving in a radius of 0.53 angstrom in first orbit in hydrogen atom around the nucleus. Now with this large velocity, frequency of revolution is equal to speed of electron upon circumference of this circle. Circumference of this circle is equal to 2 pi r and speed of electron is v. So frequency of revolution means number of revolution per second, nu is equal to v upon 2 pi r. When we substitute values for v and r, this nu comes nearly equal to 10 power 15 revolution per second. Thanks. Have a nice day.